Are you a high net worth individual struggling with a damaged credit score after a major life event like a divorce or financial Do you need fast, elite level credit repair that actually works? I'm Andre, the founder of Pinnacle Credit Repair. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can help restore your credit score in as little as 30 days. At Pinnacle Credit Repair, we specialize in helping high net worth individuals like you regain financial control quickly. We've helped our clients remove bankruptcies, late payments, collections, and more. In this video, I'll explain our proprietary process that delivers fast, effective results, and why you should trust us with your most important financial asset, your credit score. There are a lot of credit repair companies out there, but most take months or even years to deliver results. If they deliver results at all, our elite team takes on fewer clients so we can provide personalized high-end services and ensure your credit is restored as quickly as possible. From comprehensive credit analysis to strategic disputes and legal actions to rapid deletion of negative items, we don't just send letters, we take real legal action. And the results, they speak for themselves. Zaid. In just 3 weeks, we removed a bankruptcy and several collections from his credit report, allowing him to secure funding for his children's book. Let's take a look at Randy, a multi-millionaire in real estate, faced serious credit problems, $50,000 late mortgage payment, and a $20,000 American Express charge-off. Other companies tried and failed to fix it. When Randy came to Pinnacle Credit Repair, we took on the challenge. We made his $6 million mortgage account current, removing the $50,000 late payment, and we faced the $20,000 charge-off from American Express. Even when American Express responded with a 400-page document, we also used that to our advantage as well. We removed the charge-off and late payments, boosting Randy's credit score and securing him a $30,000 Bank of America credit card.
Jill, a nurse, went through a difficult divorce. Her ex ran up her credit with fraudulent accounts. In just 1 month, we removed most of the collections and charge-offs. Jill's credit score jumped by 100 points.
The longer you wait, the harder it can be to repair your credit. And the more opportunities you could miss, whether it's securing a loan, buying a property, or protecting your financial future, you need fast, expert help, and that's what we deliver. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future and get fast results, contact Pinnacle Credit Repair today with a tailored elite service designed just for you.